Hello everyone, so I will be doing a video on me transitioning for the second time because I have heat damage in the back of my hair because I flat iron my hair and I have heat damage. So I will be cutting that off because I have a lot of straight ends in the back and it looks horrible, so I don't want to wait. I just want to go and cut it off. So please just stay tuned for the end of the video.
You keep reading between the lines. There's nothing there for you to complicate. We're not aligned. You say you listen, we're guessing that's just another sign. Not growing up, you're growing old. Your life keep passing by.
So as you can see, all the straight parts of my hair, they have a lot of heat damage, and that will be the part I will be cutting off. All of this.
I can take it, I don't need a prize. Leave out the fact that I am up against 1,000 guys. My intuition efficient, cause I can't use my mind. Don't try to tell me how it's done, you haven't done your time. Rise up now. If you never fall, you don't change at all. Cry out now. Have you given up? I will never stop. I can't
Okay, so the middle part of my hair wasn't that bad. I still actually have my texture. It seems like I have about 4 different textures in my hair. I know the middle part is very coarse, the back is very soft and curly, along with around the edges. So yeah, I think I have about 4.
Show me the car where you turn me on, the way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around.
Okay, I think this part of my hair is okay, but I'm still gonna go through it just to double check since I'm already cutting it.
You know my time, left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. And I like it how I rock it from behind. And I understand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know you can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya, show me the car where you turn me on, the way you tell me you want me down.
Show me how you do that.
Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it up? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? I was at the wrong place at the right time. Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky. When you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now.
Okay, so I am now finished cutting my hair. It's shorter now, of course, and it is uneven in certain spots, but it's okay. I was truly annoyed by the straight end, so I just wanted to go in and cut it. So this is how short it is now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, so this is all the hair that I ended up cutting off.